Look, man, Jamaica is filled with stories, and this magazine focuses on the positive, the stories that end with a silver lining. It's called Just Up, and it's the latest on the shelves. President Shalisa Cassie, tell us, I'm not going to get it right. Shalisa Cassie and Vice President Carice Whittle-Brown join me. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Good morning.
Shalisa, let's start with you. What's the idea behind Just Up magazine?
All right, so we look at the other magazines that are on the market and they're doing well. So we look at People magazine, which is an international magazine, and we're saying, look, they're not smarter than we are. How is it then that they can actually have a magazine that is so opulent and so, so much focus on it and people love it so much? So what we decided to do is to create a magazine that is almost like a lifestyle manual. So when you pick up the magazine, any feature that you go to, it will give you a aha moment. I learned that from Just Up. So the magazine sets itself apart from the other magazines, which will tell you, what party is keeping and so on. We've added to that and try to, just give a little bit more opulence.
Carice, where do we get these stories?
Oh, so we get these stories from, we hear them every day. Every day we have unsung heroes, people who, the lady in the inner city who raises 6 children and they all come out to be successful. We all know the child that goes to school with no lunch money and yet they come out top of their class. And every day we see this inspiration around that nobody's talking about.
Right.
So we wanted a publication that targeted all these positive messages and brought them in one publication.
While entertaining at the same time.
So talk to me about the layout. What do I see when I go in? What are the different sections in the magazine?
Okay, so we used, as she mentioned, the content and art direction to kind of attract. So when you go in, what we've done is to sectionalize. So you have stylings, and we put categories, trendy things, and so on pertaining to that. We have health sections. Let's just flip through.
We're seeing it on screen now because we just saw diamonds. We saw Dubai connections.
Okay, here we go. There we go.
So
yes.
Secret spots in Jamrock.
Right. So, for example, with this one in particular, the gentleman, he's a farmer, and he was going for yam or digging for yam or something like that. He heard a sound. And then all of a sudden, there's this Duns River in Stony Hill, which nobody within the community knew about. So all of a sudden, we have Fallen Edge Falls, which is a beautiful, beautiful place for your friends and family.
Yeah, we saw Senator Floyd Morris a while ago, which is a powerful story.
Yes.
Very
coming
powerful
from him.
story. Very powerful.
Health. What is a bag of things in
Yes, so it has a little bit of everything.
So yeah.
That will inform, educate, and
What kind
also
of reader are we
inspire.
hoping for? What kind of reader?
So we're hoping for anybody who wants to live or reach for a successful life,
Or already has
or wants to maintain
successful
it,
life.
as well as anybody who wants a little bit of inspiration, motivation on any given day, because we all have those days.
Correct.
Where we just need that little pick-me-up.
Push, right. So Just Up, when, where, how can we get a copy?
Okay, so here we go. Online purchase will be ready by tomorrow. And by next week, Monday, we'll be in a couple stores across the island.
Okay.
We are going to be featured in the VIP lounges in Kingston Airport and Montego Bay Airport. We have complimentary placements within hotels and little lobbies and so on.
Nice.
So we've been doing our thing, and we are reaching really, really far. And we just want to thank God for all the creativity and work that we've put in it.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot of thought has gone into it, particularly in how the stories are shaped and what's included in the magazine.
Yes.
I like the idea that it captures, I think, the length and breadth of Jamaica and every different type of Jamaican. Am I correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Yes.
Sharice, is that what we're going to see when we go in?
For sure. You will see a little bit of everything, and it will appeal to everybody from all sectors.
Yeah.
So everybody can reach for the magazine and identify with some aspect of it, if not all.
Food in there?
Oh, for sure. Can't have a magazine without food.
Had to.
Because the food in there,
And
and I'm going to tell you,
sports.
no, go on about to the business. Sports in there as well.
Correct.
Correct.
All right. So there it is. So we're still seeing the stylings page. So we've seen a lot of stylings. What are the other pages? our segments that we have to look for. I know we know
Or so
what's
we-
in it, but give me the names. I know stylings. I can't say.
Right.
Go find
So we
stylings.
have the interesting
So we have
stylings.
financials that helps you to help your money to grow. Tips, just little tips on how to make your money grow and work for you. We have health.
We have categories like things my mama never told me, which
Okay.
are the lessons we learn in life that nobody talks about, and you have to kind of go through them. And then when you get there, you say, "But mom, did anybody else go through this?" And you say, "Oh yeah, one of those stories where you have to actually."
That's something I want to say crazy.
Oh, here we go.
Oh,
so what we've done is a book was written. I wrote a book, and we're introducing 3 pages per issue. So yes, just to leave you on a high, and then the next issue you want to continue reading and
Okay.
so on. So it's a new release, and we released it in the magazine.
Oh, nice.
So it's a magazine sequel.
Yeah. So you have to keep buying it.
Correct.
Make sure you get the rest of
Yes,
the story,
yes,
guys.
ma'am.
Yeah.
So it's going to be online, everywhere online, or is there somewhere specific I need to go to get it? Do you have a website?
Yes.
Yes.
So it's www.justupmagazine.com. We said www. Right. Correct.
Yeah.
You're right. Just Up Magazine. So you go to the website. There it is.
Yes.
And you'll be able to order online.
Correct. And the website has all our information, address, telephone numbers. Her cell number is on it, guys, and our email address and all our social media platforms.
Talk to me about the editorial team that works on this.
So again, we have our contributors, and we both work on
quite a bit
the
of the
content.
content.
Correct.
Okay.
So it's really a labor of love for both of us.
Yes.
And we do have industry experts for like finance. We have for health. All our contributors are experts in their field.
Correct.
Nice. I like it. It looks very slick.
Thank
The
you.
content sounds very interesting. I think people are going to love it. So make sure you check out the website, www.justupmagazine.com. They'll have it online as of tomorrow.
Yes.
And then if you look around in the stores, you're bound to see. You can't miss it. It look hot. So you see, you say, what is Just Up Magazine.
Right.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
us.
From Just Up Magazine, President Shalisa
Cassie.
and Carice Whittle.
Brown.
Stay with us. Smile Jamaica continues right after this.